Hi guys, how are you today? So today just wanted to show you quickly what I've done with all the greens, the remainings from the corn I was growing here in my food forest. Quick look to my food forest. So there it is, the second one over there. So anyway, don't get distracted. So this was the veggie patch. Now I'll show you quickly. So this was the veggie patch where I grew the corn, like over there. You can see. So just few corns. So these are nearly ready. So yeah, I had the same here over here. And basically when I collected the corn, I cut all the greens with my machete and put it down into the veggie patch where it was growing. Basically all the nutrients which still remained in the greens from the corn, you can see it was the greens from the corn, so goes back to the soil. And yeah, topped it off with some wood ash. I will also put some of my fermented manure and on top here, and then just a little bit of soil, so it will be easier to put new seeds. And that's pretty much it. And the next corn or whatever I put in here, not sure yet, it will grow like crazy. I also show you quickly what I've done with the roots. So here are basically the roots. Yeah, collected some new corn already from here just yesterday. So yeah, these are the roots. They will go into the compost, to my compost corner over there. And here is the fermented manure. I have done a video about it, how easy it is to make the perfect natural fertilizer if you've got few chicks in your garden or in your backyard. So yeah, if you wanna check it with me how it goes, subscribe to my channel. Also check our other videos. So all pretty much easy stuff, easy gardening, permaculture ways of doing gardening. So always easy and yeah, and lots of food. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and see you next time, hopefully. So don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell for the next videos so you get the notifications. You enjoy the rest of your day and see you later. Bye.